30th, 2022. This one here I got a call from a lady. She's got a boiler, and she says the expansion tank sprung a leak and it's pissing out the side. So she shut the water off at the boiler. Because the expansion tank's hanging off the side of the boiler, so that means it's it's probably a little number 30 tank or something hanging off the boiler. So we're on our way over there now to fix it. Shut off was the boiler, which is this.
Yeah.
But you shut that off, and you shut all kinds of stuff off. So you say this tank was leaking, huh?
Yeah,
it was spraying
Oh
out.
yeah, I can see the pinhole right there. I can see it.
Yeah, it was really spraying.
And it was spraying right out.
This is soaking wet. Then it was spraying over here.
Look at that, huh?
It
Yeah,
filled
I know.
it
Weird.
filled the tank up down there.
Oh, it filled that up.
Yeah.
The relief valve wasn't leaking or nothing, right?
No, it wasn't. It was all coming
All
out
right,
of that.
so we got it off, and you got it drained because it's not leaking anymore.
Right.
All right, let me just change the tank out, and then we'll have to purge it. Let's see how we're going to purge this thing. Got a purge station right here. All right, and we got 3 zones, 4 zones,
Yep.
5 zones.
5 zones, yeah. I know, it's a pain.
Oh,
I
5
tried to get them
zones.
all
So
shut off
we got
quickly, so-
1, 2, 3
Yeah.
on the returns. I wonder what the hell this thing is. That's
God knows
kinda
the guy
weird.
who did it was weird.
So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 2 here, and then you must have another one.
Maybe.
You must have another one over here or something. Is there any bleeders upstairs? No?
No.
No. It's a crappy system.
Well, we could do one at a time. We got the zone valves. We got the zone valves. We could shut the power off and do one zone valve at a time.
Right.
That's the way. That's the only way to really do it. One zone head at a time.
Right.
And he took pictures of all the measurements he took.
Yeah, I got a new wrench I'm trying out here. See how this thing works. So.
And then finally I said, okay, why all the pictures? And he said, when the guys come to install them, they'll know exactly where I took the measurements from.
Oh, okay.
And what my plans were. That's pretty good.
Yeah, this is a nice little wrench. It's thin.
What, who makes it?
Crescent.
Oh, okay.
They only make a thin. Someone told me about it. It works. Looks like it works pretty good, actually.
It looked like a rigid fence.
No, but it's got the thin jaw.
Yeah,
That's the only
right.
reason why I bought it.
Yeah, that's great.
So this thing was a leaker. We'll have to get the other one ready. Crap.
My dad was a salesman for plumbing supplies,
Hey, you told me that.
and he had all kinds of rigid tools and stuff.
I got all rigid too.
Yeah.
The only reason why I wanted that because it's got the thin jaws.
Yeah,
It's
that's
just for that job right
Yeah.
here. Because usually if it's an expansion tank, if it's an expansion tank on an air scoop, you don't have a lot of room there.
Yeah.
It's very, very thin. You need a thin device, so that's why I went with that route. Yeah, we're gonna probably go right out the window with to bleed it.
Okay. Yeah. It was, well, my nose doesn't work anymore. But
No?
Sandy was telling me that it stunk down here something terrible with all of the.
Oh, the water.
Well, the water plus I don't know what else.
This thing was definitely a leaker.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could see the hole.
Yeah. Yeah, because I was working in my shop and she came down and told me about it, and I took a look and I could see it too because it was spraying.
You could see it spraying right out, huh?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that she put that towel up there to try to keep it from soaking the wall.
Crazy.
Yeah.
I don't know if I like it or not. I like my thin one maybe better. Yeah, it seems to work. As long as it works,
Yeah.
right?
Oh yeah. Gets the job done.
As long as it gets the job done. It did. Look at that shit. Slick as shit. It's too bad because the tank was still good. It just started leaking.
Yeah.
Still had air in it. That odd? Alright, so what we're going to need to do is get a hose.
Okay.
and we'll do one zone. We'll do one zone head at a time. We'll put the hose out the window,
Yeah.
light it up, and then do one zone.
Okay.
Open up one zone head at a time. It'll bleed it that way.
All my hoses are extremely
No, I got
low.
hoses.
Oh,
She's shut any of this
just
stuff.
turned those
All right.
on, and the ones over here. That's it. Just the ones around there, yeah.
And then that should. Well, you know what it is. I got all the zones. I got to do one zone of the head. All right, so we got this open. We'll just do one zone at a time.
Okay.
I should open that one.
I'm trying to figure which.
Oh yeah, we gotta open up the supply. This is a problem. You start shutting all kinds of stuff off, you know.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, that was the thing. She saw it, shut off the main, and she said, "Oh." What else
Shutting
do we need to
everything
shut
off. Next thing you know, you're shutting off everything but the kitchen sink,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. She tried to soak up as much of the water as she could.
Yeah, I don't blame you. The boiler's been running okay since I've been here. Yeah.
Yeah, no problems at all.
A little crusty, but I don't think there's going to be a lot in the zones, to be honest with you, because you had everything isolated.
Well, we have,
Know what I'm saying?
yeah, we have one zone.
I'm going to do all three, all five. Here's the bedroom. Give it a good how you doing, you know.
That might be the one upstairs. I'm pretty sure that is.
That says bedroom.
Yeah.
Bedrooms, and then I got 3 here, 3, 4, 5, and I got 3 other ones here. This one says hall,
Okay. That's
and this
probably
one says
be-
basement heat,
okay.
and I don't know what this other one is.
It's got to be basically kitchen area.
Oh, right here, living room,
Okay, there they are.
shop, living room, laundry, garage. See, they're all labeled right there.
Okay.
I don't think there's a lot in there,
Yeah.
because
I don't think that a
you'd be hearing the air come out, but
Yeah.
well, not really.
I don't think a lot of anything drained out.
Ooh. See how it makes that banging noise when I shut it off? That's why they open slowly, so they don't make that banging. They take 90 seconds to open.
Right.
That's so it don't make that banging noise.
Okay.
When I do it manually, you hear it bang.
Yep.
I'm just gonna make sure we get a good. You can feel if there's any air right in the hose.
Yeah. Oh, this is fantastic. We were a little concerned, you know.
You getting a little worried, were you?
Well, 28 degrees this morning when we woke up, so.
Yeah, I got other people out there with no heat. I'm trying
Yeah.
to get to everybody today, and you tell people they need a new boiler, a new furnace, right? And it's
Yeah.
like they milk the shit, and then the thing breaks every couple of months. It's breaking down, and I told you need a new furnace.
Yeah.
You know, so they want me to run right out there as soon as I usually let them wait a little bit. They're too dumb enough to get a new furnace or a new boiler, right?
Right.
And then they want me to go out there, run out there whenever it breaks every 10 minutes.
Yes.
I told you, lady, you need a new a new furnace.
Yeah.
3 times already. Calling me again. It's like, when they gonna ever learn?
Yeah.
Then you call them a dum-dum and everybody gets all upset about it. Huh?
Just because you tell them the truth.
Ooh, that one's really hard.
from the last time we had to change this.
So you still got the mask. You're still doing the mask thing, huh?
Yeah,
You don't mind it.
I will. It doesn't make me happy, but the alternative does. The thing is, our son that lives in San Diego flies all over the country. He's a medical salesman, but he also teaches doctors how to do brain surgery and stuff like that. And
He's a salesman and tells you how to do brain surgery.
yeah.
Yeah.
That-
He'd be the
that's
guy.
part-
He'd be the
well,
guy. He'd be
how
the guy to
use
listen
How
to.
to use the equipment he sells appropriately.
Oh,
So they
okay.
don't mess something up.
Yeah.
So he's gone all the time, and he said, when COVID started, he put on a mask. He didn't have flu that year. He didn't have any colds that year. So until things quiet down, we've decided if we're around people,
Yeah, you don't mind. I mean, whatever. I'm kind of done with the mask thing.
yeah.
I've been doing it for so flipping long. I'm kind of done with it.
Yeah.
I'm vaccinated, boosted, and I'm not sick.
Yeah.
Oh. Ooh. Wow.
Wow. Some windows for us.
Yeah, no, I'm
So
just
far, the salesman
flipping done with the mask thing.
Yeah.
If someone tells me they're sick, I'm not going in the house.
Yeah.
You tell me you're sick, see you later. I'm leaving. It ain't worth me getting sick over. Unfortunately. You know?
Yeah.
I don't need
Well,
to get
that's
sick.
why-
I never get sick.
That's why we don't go out that much.
I never get
I
sick.
mean, I wanted an air nailer for some work that I'm doing.
Oh, your other one died?
No, I have
They-
compressed air driver. I want a battery one.
Oh, they got some nice battery stuff, huh?
I just ordered one from Home Depot.
Yeah.
It'll be here Saturday.
That'd be nice. I just charge it and boom, 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 boom. You don't have to worry about running the air hose and all that shit.
Yep. That's the problem. I've got a couple of air hose things, and if I was doing a whole bunch of it, I'd use the air. But I'm not. I mean, I'm doing, hold this piece in place while I screw it down. Just a couple tacks,
So that's better. You're better off with a little battery powered one.
And it's the same battery that powers my drill and driver.
Yeah, so this is all set, guy. I mean,
All right.
give it a good purge and purge them all. We did all. They're all reset.
All right.
It's all reset. There's 2, 3, 5. Well, I had to shut that to purge it, and then shut this. Open this. And turn on our power. We should be good.
That's what I wanted to do.
Yeah, and last time I was here was what? 4 months ago. We did a filter and a nozzle.
Right.
Filter at tank, new nozzle. Good oil flow, good draft over fire.
It's been running real good. We haven't had any problems at all.
Everything's turned back on. I don't see anything off.
Yep.
Alright, so we got it there, new tank, and see what our pressure's at. Pressure's at 20. We can dump that bucket, right?
Yeah.
20, that's good. Got a new tank.